Good day, everyone. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of psychology through renowned experiments. These experiments offer insights into human behavior and cognition. Let's begin with the Stanford Prison Experiment. The Stanford Prison Experiment, conducted by Dr. Philip Zimbardo in 1971, aimed to explore how perceived power impacts behavior. Volunteers were assigned roles as prisoners or guards in a mock prison setting. The study was halted after just 6 days due to extreme and disturbing behaviors displayed by participants, revealing the potent influence of situational factors on behavior. This experiment shed light on how ordinary individuals can quickly adopt and amplify roles under certain conditions, challenging their usual morals. This phenomenon, known as the Lucifer effect, emphasizes the malleability of behavior in response to authority and environment. However, the experiment has faced ethical criticism for its psychological harm to participants and lack of informed consent. The extreme environment may have led participants to act unrealistically, questioning the experiment's applicability to real-life situations. Despite these concerns, the study remains significant in illustrating the interplay between power, situation, and human conduct. Now, let's discuss the Milgram experiment from 1961. Psychologist Stanley Milgram aimed to explore the obedience to authority. Participants were asked to administer increasing electric shocks to a person in another room whenever they answered questions incorrectly. The shocking part, despite the apparent distress of the person receiving the shocks, most participants continued to administer shocks due to the perceived authority figure. The Milgram experiment raised ethical concerns due to the stress and potential harm inflicted on participants. It has been criticized for its deception and lack of informed consent. Moving on to the Little Albert experiment of 1920. John B. Watson and Rosalie Rayner aimed to demonstrate classical conditioning. They conditioned a young boy, Little Albert, to fear a white rat by pairing its presence with loud, frightening noises. The experiment showcased how emotions could be learned through associations. In 1951, Solomon Asch's conformity experiment highlighted social pressure and the tendency to conform. Participants were asked to compare line lengths, and a majority of them conformed to incorrect answers provided by Confederates, revealing the power of group influence. Albert Bandura's 1961 Bobo doll experiment highlighted social learning theory's significance. Children witnessing adults exhibit aggressive behavior toward a Bobo doll imitated the aggression, underscoring the influential role of modeling in acquiring behaviors. The experiment showcased how individuals, particularly children, acquire new behaviors through observation and imitation of role models. This study bolstered the understanding of how social context and observation contribute to the acquisition of behaviors, shaping perspectives on the transmission of behavior and the role of media in influencing actions. The Hawthorne effect, unearthed in the 1920s and 30s, illuminated the transformative impact of observation on individual behavior. It unveiled that people alter their actions and output when they are aware of being watched, leading to improved performance and productivity. This phenomenon underscores the substantial role of awareness and attention in shaping human actions within various contexts. The Hawthorne effect's recognition instigated a broader understanding of the intricate interplay between psychological factors and performance outcomes, underscoring the necessity of considering psychological dynamics in organizational and research settings. These experiments, though some controversial, have provided invaluable insights into human behavior, obedience, conformity, performance, productivity, and the ethical considerations in psychological research. They remind us to balance the pursuit of knowledge with the well-being of participants. That concludes our exploration of these influential experiments. Remember, psychology offers a deep understanding of human nature, but it's essential to conduct research ethically and responsibly. Thank you for your attention, and I encourage you to delve further into these experiments and their implications.